Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the next star pattern program. In previous session, we already discussed about right triangle star pattern program. And when you are getting any pattern program, how to deal with that. What exactly the parameter you need to consider before you start the pattern program that we already discussed in the previous session. If you don't have the idea about the for loop and how to print a pattern program, the basic program we already covered in the previous session. So I will suggest you to refer my the previous videos and I'm providing the link in the description as well. So let's start with the today's video. So in the last video, we print the right triangle star pattern. In today's video, we will print the same right triangle star pattern in the reverse order. So for that, I'm going to create a new method here. So public void reverse right star, and we are asking the users to provide the rows and column, how exactly rows and column we are wants. So the same, let me write the pattern here. So what exactly the reverse means? Okay. So the first pattern we discuss is this right triangle, right? Let me give some spaces and let's take it here. Okay. So here, how the pattern will looks like. So suppose my n value is the 4, then my pattern starts with 4 stars, okay, then 3 stars, then 2 stars, and then 1 star. So I'm expecting this pattern. So previously we discussed about this right triangle pattern and we are discussing the same in the reverse manner. So whenever we are discussing anything reverse, right, we are using the decrement operator and we are using the highest value as the initialization. The same technique we are using in the reverse pattern as well. The count of the rows and column is the same. So we are using the same previous logic only, but we are doing some modification as we want to print in the reverse manner. The first thing for the reverse, initialization value is greater, right? Whenever we are printing like a simple star pattern, not the reverse one, then we are giving the initialization value as the low. But when we are printing the reverse, we are giving the initialization value as the high, and we are decrementing the our whatever the initialization value, we are decrementing that. So I'm using the same for loops for the here as well. So the first one for I is equal to, I'm giving the value as my I value as the n here. Okay. First, let me define the data type int I is equal to n. The condition is my I value should be greater than or equal to 1. The last value is the 1, right? So it should be greater than or equal to 1. Okay. And I'm decrementing my I value because every time I'm decrementing 1 star here. So that's why I'm decrementing my I value. So this I outer loop is for the rows. Then I'm going to write the inner loop. So for the inner loop, I'm defining int j is equal to 1. Then j is less than or equal to I. Then j plus plus. Okay. So if you compare with the previous condition, this is the same for the column, but for the rows only we are changing our logic. Inside the for loop, I'm writing this print statement. Again, removing the ln, we already discussed this logic and I'm printing the star here. Okay. And outside this for loop, I'm writing this print statement again just to print that star in the new line. Okay. And that's it. So this is our program. First, we will execute this and then we will discuss the logic and how exactly it's working. The first thing I will do, I will call this method from my main class, that is reverse right star. So I will comment down the previous method and o dot reverse right star, and we are providing the value as the 5. Okay. And let's save this and run this program. Now you are seeing, if you see my output, we are getting the reverse program, the reverse triangle, right? So let's discuss the logic. If you understand from the first code and the second code, we just modify this line. So here the initialization we are doing, we are giving the higher value. So the first thing, let's discuss the logic here and how it's executing. My I value. So my n value is the 5. So my I value is equal to 5. My I is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, my condition is getting satisfied. Then I will go inside this loop. My j value is now 1. Is my j value is less than I value? Yes, that's correct. So it will go and print 1 star. As my j value is equal to 1, it will go and print 1 star. Then again, it will go and increment. Now my j value is 2. So it will print 1 more star, right? Then my j value is 3, 4. Then it will print again 1 more stars. Okay, 3, 4. Then now my j value is the 5. Okay, in that case, my 5 value is less than or equal to I? Yes, it is equal to I. So that's why it will print 1 more star and it will increment the j value. Now my j value is the 6. Is 6 less than or equal to I? No. Our I value is the 5. So this condition is not getting satisfied. That's why it will come out of the loop. When it will come out of the loop, it will go to the next line. So that's why it will go to the next line. Okay. Here I will again give some comment and I will show you. When it goes to the next line, now it goes to the I and it decrements the I value. So now I value is the 4. In that case, it will goes the inside loop and now it will do the same again. J value is the 1. It will print the star same till the value becomes 4. It will print the 4 star. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my j value becomes 5. So the condition is not getting satisfied. It will come out of the loop and it again goes to the outside for loop. So this will repeat till we are getting this I value becomes 0, right? When I value becomes less than 1, then this pattern will stop gets executing. Okay, and it will come outside the loop. Okay, so that's our logic. The same program we just do in the reverse pattern. So in today's session, we discuss about the reverse right star triangle pattern, and in the previous session, we discussed about right triangle star pattern. So in the next session, we are going to discuss about left triangle star pattern. So the logic will be slightly different and we will understand the logic in the next session only. So that's it for the today guys. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.